Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to create blog post on WordPress. So you can see this is my admin dashboard. At first click on the post and then click on the all post. As you can see there is no any post. Let's add new post. For example, I will put WordPress as a title and paste some details for description and then click on the publish. Okay, let's check it on my website. As you can see, my post is already in the website. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.